In this video demonstration, we show back annotation in the Allegro X System Capture tool. During back annotation, any changes made on a layout will reflect back on the schematic. This is also called back to front flow. In the PCB layout phase in the Allegro X PCB Editor, you can swap pins, rename reference designators, edit existing constraints, or add new constraints. Import these changes back to the schematic by using the Layout option in the Allegro X System Capture tool. To import the changes into the schematic, choose File, then select Import and click on Layout. Select the board file to compare the schematic and layout file. Click OK to compare. The difference report displays them in the Design Difference window, where you can view the changes in the database. Click the Update All option to accept the changes and to update the schematic database. Now the changes made on a layout will be reflected back on the schematic. That's all the time we have now for this video. Thanks for watching.